Hello everyone, it's Zoe from WeShipFloors.com, bringing to you the new Circassian Walnut. This is on our website under model number SPC029. This is a 100% waterproof product, really made to look like a fine walnut wood floor. While there's no wood or vinyl in the design of our SUPERCore product, you'll find that it has great dent resistance, scratch resistance with the UV Cure ceramic bead finish, great for pets and kids, high activity homes, basements, sunrooms. It has an EVA pad attached to the back, so it's an all-in-one product. Extremely easy to install. And you can certainly get a sample of this product on our website, WeShipFloors.com. Just put in the model number, you'll find it. Go ahead and order some samples. If you want to talk about your project, need some design tips, we're here to help you. So give us a call, 844-356-6711, and let's get your flooring project underway. Thank you.